The whole concept of what we are as people changed.
This is a tangible way to use art and all the therapeutic tools that art brings to help bring some healing and closure to some of that challenge that Bloomington navigated. We lost 285 of our neighbors here in Bloomington during COVID. We had many people lose jobs, we had lives disrupted. We're working on a COVID memorial.
It was commissioned by Public Health, and Creative Placemaking supported their artist selection process and the engagement activities that we've been working on. One of them was at Hillcrest Elementary School with 4th grade students. The other was held at Bloomington Civic Plaza, and that was offered to city staff, specifically the Public Health Department. We also had a public engagement opportunity at Creekside, and that was open to anyone who wanted to participate in this process. And then we also had an engagement activity at Martin Luther Campus, Fairview, and that was offered to senior residents there as well as their family and the staff that works within that space.
I find that my artwork always gains richness and variety through involving other people.
Some of the themes that came through as they were creating were themes of not knowing what was going on, sensing that there was something about to happen that day that we went home, but not knowing really what this was all about.
I was in kindergarten when COVID started. We didn't know a lot and we were just really confused.
I was thinking of my grandpa that died from cancer in COVID. I did just a simple flower on it to honor him.
I served in the incident command structure with Public Health for all of the days that we were active. We did so much, and also knowing that the community and other pillars of society did so much as well, and we all came together. So to see it commemorated in art is so powerful.
Part of our federal funding for COVID response and recovery is what we're using to help cover this work.
They're imprinting on metal so we can hang it together to make a quilt out of all these pieces of metal.
The memorial is meant to be more of a contemplative space. The idea of sort of wrapping its arms around you and creating its own little space for you to reflect, that was important.
Quilts are there for stories, and so this is a big story to be told.
The project should be complete within the next couple months. Also, a nice component of it is that it can be moved. So there can be components of it that go to other spaces, and ideally in the future we would love to see it in the new Community Health and Wellness Center.
Many people are still processing, navigating. Sometimes it's easy to forget that COVID just happened. It can help us provide that healing, that reminder, and the look to that future.
It's renewal, it's rejoicing, and it's moving on too.